Alright guys, so I've been using the Corsair Dark Core RGB Pro for about a week now, and I've been enjoying just about everything about the mouse. It is pretty smooth, and it's pretty responsive as far as like the clicks and that. And I have actually replaced my Razer Naga with this. I used the Naga for probably about 3 or 4 years, playing games like Warcraft and MOBAs and like Overwatch and those type of games. Not well, a little bit of Call of Duty, but not a whole lot. But this I think works just as well or even better as far as response time. I really have enjoyed it, especially I've been playing Heroes of the Storm lately, and it is really responsive. Just enough buttons. I do have some buttons here for keybinds or quick buttons that I need to press. Also, like if you see when I press this button right here, it adjusts the sensitivity as well. So that's something to keep in mind. But overall, I've really enjoyed this mouse so far. So if you're in the market for a new mouse, you might want to consider this one. It is, I think I paid $69.99 for it. I could be wrong, but it is a cheaper mouse as far as price. So yeah, I really enjoy the RGB lighting as well. As you can see, it's went through quite a few different colors: orange, pink, red, blue, yellow. So it is a pretty nice mouse as far as color wise. But again, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe if you want to see some more videos. I do have the keyboard that I'm going to unbox as well that matches this. I'll give you a little sneak peek to that. Alright, that's all I'm going to show you. But it matches this as well. It's a Corsair RGB keyboard as well. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, and definitely comment below if you want to see some other items unboxed and reviews done on them. So thanks again for watching.